Financial challenges are something most of us have experienced at some point in our lives. That dreaded moment when you check your bank account or internet banking app and are met with the sinking feeling as you confront the harsh reality of your financial situation. Bills are piling up, unexpected expenses keep cropping up, and your bank balance seems to remain frozen in place. In times like these, it's essential to get creative and find ways to boost your income. So today, I'll take you to how to make money without spending a dime. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the ThriveWise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Mow lawns. You might be thinking, mowing lawns? Really? But bear with me for a moment. Nearly every homeowner has a lawn, yet the vast majority of them dread the thought of mowing it. This presents a substantial market, and you only need a small portion of it to generate income. In fact, just one customer can make a significant difference. Here's how it works. Select a few neighborhoods and spend the weekend going door to door, asking residents if they'd like you to take care of their lawn. You'll encounter some rejections, but you'll also secure numerous yes responses, which is all you need. Imagine knocking on 300 doors and securing 8 clients who might be willing to pay you $100 bi-weekly to maintain their lawns. That translates to over $1,500 per month for a weekend job. When you're doing your door-to-door visits, present yourself professionally. A collared shirt and respectable appearance can go a long way. Moreover, most households already own lawnmowers, so there's no need for you to make an initial investment. This venture is virtually cost-free upfront. Number 2. Offering freelance services. Developing custom services, building a portfolio, and engaging in extensive marketing efforts can be exhausting. However, there are times when you need to be bold and straightforward about your skills as a writer or editor. During these times, don't let your talents go to waste. Reach out to your network via email, messaging, and social media to offer your services. Consider tasks like copywriting and magazine editing for friends and family, offering them lower rates than your standard fees with the understanding that it will benefit you in the long run. This strategy can help you build a larger client base while still earning enough to cover your expenses. You might be surprised at how valuable these connections can be in times of financial hardship. When you're broke, you can't afford to rely solely on word-of-mouth recommendations or wait for opportunities to come your way. You need to take a chance and actively seek out those opportunities. Number 3. Advertise on your car. If you have access to a car, you can explore the option of turning it into a mobile billboard for companies. There are 2 approaches to this. You can directly approach local businesses and propose using your car for advertising, or you can sign up with a service that handles the advertising setup for you. While the latter option may involve sharing a percentage of your earnings with the advertising service, they won't make money unless you do. What's appealing about this choice is that once everything is set up, you continue with your daily routine while getting paid for having advertisements on your car. Talk about passive income. Number 4. YouTube. In this digital age, we all possess a smartphone and have access to the internet. As long as we can find a library or sit in a Starbucks, today's smartphones boast cameras that can rival even the most competent DSLR. So what's stopping you from creating a video? Whether it's a vlog of your daily life or an exploration of your surroundings, even just a discussion about topics you're passionate or knowledgeable about, YouTube provides an excellent platform for creative expression. Even if it seems like no one is interested in your content initially, remember that there's always an audience out there for something. And with YouTube, there are several ways to monetize your content. One of the most popular methods is through affiliate marketing, where you review products or discuss items sold online and earn commissions on sales generated through your affiliate links. Influencer marketing is another avenue on YouTube. As your channel gains popularity, you can collaborate with other YouTubers or companies that sell products or services related to your channel's theme. These collaborations can be financially rewarding, as you may receive compensation for promoting their online or physical stores. And last but not least, there's good old ad revenue. While this may not become apparent until your channel matures and gains a significant following, it can provide a decent income stream over time. YouTube offers endless possibilities for creativity and also income generation. Number 5. Donate blood or plasma. If you meet certain health criteria and don't mind needles, donating blood or plasma can provide you with additional income. Some centers offer initial payments of $20 to $25 for your first donation and higher payments of $30 to $45 for subsequent visits. While donating plasma has restrictions, typically twice a week, the regularity of these donations can earn you around $200 to $400 per month. This option not only helps you financially, but also contributes to a noble cause by providing blood and plasma for medical purposes. After your donation, most centers will compensate you either in cash or through a prepaid card, making it a convenient way to supplement your income. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6. Offer to help someone. If you're strapped for cash, consider offering your assistance to others in need. If you possess skills or expertise that can help someone save time and money, there's a good chance you can earn compensation for your services. So reflect on your abilities and experiences. Maybe you can lend a hand with moving furniture or fixing a leaky faucet over the weekend. Perhaps you could offer to babysit a neighbor's child after school or help an elderly resident with yard maintenance. If you excel in a particular subject, you might even consider tutoring children in your neighborhood. Apps like TaskRabbit can help you identify people in your area who require assistance with various tasks. By focusing on helping others, you'll likely come across individuals willing to compensate you for your valuable support. Number 7. Become a tutor. Do you excel in any academic fields? If that's the case, put your expertise to work and start earning some extra cash. Tutoring can be a lucrative way to make money, with your primary investment being your time and knowledge. What's great about tutoring is that if you do a commendable job with your first few students, word will spread rapidly, and you'll attract more business through client referrals. Whenever possible, consider tutoring in medium-sized study groups, working with 3 to 5 students at a time, as it can be highly efficient in terms of earning potential. If you're new to tutoring and wonder how to find students, the key is putting yourself out there. Approach professors and lecturers. Spend time at university libraries in a non-intrusive manner, of course. Put up flyers and use social media to promote your services. In essence, market yourself. Tutoring is one of those endeavors where acquiring new clients becomes relatively straightforward if you consistently deliver higher quality service. As you gain experience and build your reputation, your tutoring business can become a steady source of income. Number 8. Walk dogs or babysit. Providing childcare services or dog walking can be a lucrative side gig, since parents are constantly in need of reliable childcare options, and dog owners often struggle to find time to take care of their pets properly. To get started, let your friends and family know about your availability for babysitting and ask them to spread the word. Online platforms like Care.com can help you set up a profile and connect with parents looking for childcare services. Consider offering flexible hours, such as early mornings, evenings, weekends, or special events, as this can make you more attractive to potential clients. Or dog walking, marketing your services within your neighborhood through flyers, door knocking, phone calls, and social media can help you build a client base. Offering reasonable rates can quickly turn this into a substantial income stream, potentially bringing in $60,000 to $80,000 per year with a few regular clients. Number 9. Start selling stuff. When you're facing a financial crisis, time is of the essence, and you can't afford to invest heavily in new sources of income. One effective way to quickly generate cash is by selling items you no longer need around your house. Most of us have unused clothing, electronics, furniture, kitchen appliances, tools, and other items lying around that would fetch for a decent price. Online platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace provide excellent avenues to sell your items without leaving your home. Additionally, consider selling old electronics to repurchase sites like Declutter for a quick and easy transaction. By decluttering your space and selling unused items, you can make a significant dent in your financial woes. Well, that's basically how to make money without spending a dime. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.